Our next witness, please.
At this time, the state calls Dean Glover.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Please raise your right hand and take the oath.
Do you swear and affirm the testimony that you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
Please have a seat, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Can you please tell the court reporter your full name and spell it, please?
Dean Stanford Glover, DeanStanfordGlover.
Mr. Glover, where do you work?
City of Riceburg.
What do you do for them?
I'm the public works supervisor.
And as the Public Works Supervisor, you said that was with the City of Riceboro?
Correct.
Okay. Can you tell us where is the City of Riceboro located in Liberty County?
Wow. It is between Hinesville and Brunswick, actually. So about 20 miles away.
Okay. So if you headed south on I-95, would you hit basically your
Yeah.
area?
Yes.
Okay. And what do you do as the supervisor for that department?
I'm pretty much is the director, for the public works, sanitation, and just wastewater, sewer, and
Okay.
public. Just anything dealing with the city.
Okay. And in that capacity, do you have a location that you're assigned to?
Yes.
Where are you assigned?
793 Barrington Ferry.
Okay. And is there a building at that location?
Correct.
Okay. When I'm going to turn your attention back to December of 2022, were you assigned to work at that same building at the time?
Correct.
And where is that building located? You gave us an address, but how would you get there?
Basically on Barrington Ferry is just go to Riceburg to the caution light and take a left.
Okay.
A right, I'm sorry.
Okay. And if you were coming down I-95, would there be an exit that would take you there as well?
52.
Okay. And what roadway would you come off of I-95 to get to that building?
That is 17,
Okay.
Highway 17.
Okay. Does that also connect at some point to Jones Road?
It passes by, correct.
Okay. Is it fair to say that Barrington Ferry and Jones Road are kind of the same name, just at different places on the roadway?
Correct.
Okay. So depending on which county you're in, will kind of depend on what you call it?
Yes.
Okay. How long have you worked there?
12 and a half years.
And in that 12 and a half years, do you know if there are any cameras at that location?
Yes, there are.
When did those cameras get installed?
After 9/11,
Why did you install cameras after 9/11?
it was mandatory after 9/11.
Federal government required it,
Correct.
and they were installed?
Yes.
Are there cameras on the pumping station building? I believe that's what that is. Is that correct?
It's a well.
It's a well, okay.
Yes.
Are there cameras on that building?
Correct.
And is there any type of security surrounding the building?
Fencing.
What kind of fencing?
Chain link.
Okay, is there anything on top of the chain link fence?
Barbed wire.
Barbed
Yes.
wire, right?
Correct. Yes.
And were the cameras at that building working in late November of 2022?
Yes.
Can you tell the jury what area the cameras capture from that building?
The roadway and the entrance of the well.
Okay.
Yes.
And does there exist a security system to preserve that video footage?
Yes, it is.
Okay, I'm going to call it a DVR, that digital video recording device. Was there
Yes.
one present inside of the building?
Yes, ma'am.
And would you have been responsible for maintaining that?
Correct.
Would you also have been responsible if there were any problems to get it fixed?
Correct.
Did there come a time when you had a chance to look at that video footage and determine if there was a timestamp on it?
Yes.
Is there a timestamp?
Yes.
Is that timestamp accurate to the best of your knowledge?
It is because it's controlled by the satellite, just like your cell phone.
Okay, so that is correct and current.
Yes.
Okay, and you indicated that those cameras do record, correct?
Correct. Correct.
And that video recording equipment, who has access to it?
Basically, just myself in the city when something happened. It's myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
And did there come a time when law enforcement asked you about that video footage?
Correct.
Do you recall when that was?
Date and time, no, but it just happened when we had an incident now.
Okay.
And the reason why, because I am a volunteer fire department on that. So when we get situations, we do.
Okay. So if I direct your attention back to December of 2022, is that approximately when, even if you don't recall the exact date?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And when law enforcement requested to see that footage, did you show it to them?
Correct. I gave them the DVR for them to extract.
You gave them the whole thing?
Yes, I did.
Okay. And was that, would that have enabled them to download any footage from that device?
Yes.
And you turned that over to them yourself?
Correct.
Did that device include footage from November 29th of 2022 that you had a chance to look at before your testimony today?
Yes.
And was that a accurate and complete documentation of the entire time period surrounding the very end of November into December of 2022?
Yes.
Specifically, in anticipation of this court date, were you able to look at just smaller clips of that time?
Yes, ma'am.
And were those a fair and accurate depiction of what was captured by the cameras on those dates?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Did it display the timestamp?
Yes.
I'm going to ask, Your Honor, that the witness be shown 1.25, a USB. May I approach?
You may.
I've had this marked. Do you recognize the initials on that USB?
Yes, that's mine.
Okay. And is this the actual USB that you watched on that day?
Yes.
Did you have an occasion to determine if that captured the same area that you just described to the jury?
Yes.
And did it?
Yes.
At this time, Your Honor, I'm actually going to plug this in so we can see it. If you want to just leave it off for one moment. Were you also shown some still photographs?
Yes.
And were those in fact just snaps of the actual original video?
Yes.
I'm going to show those to you right now. These have been marked as 1.20 through 1.24. I'm showing those to counsel.
You may.
Mr. Glover, I'm showing you 1.20.
Okay.
Do you recognize what's depicted there?
Yes.
What is that, sir?
That is the well.
Okay. Is there a building there as well?
Correct.
Okay. And is that building the one that has cameras on it?
Yes.
Does that building have that fencing and the stuff you just described
Yes.
to us? And I'm now showing you 1.21 through 1.24. In that order. Do you recognize what's in those photographs?
Yes.
What are those photographs of?
And well, I'm looking at a vehicle and the fencing, and this is the that big box is just what we have our electricity come through for the well. Yes.
So you recognize that as being where you were working?
Yes.
Okay. Are those a fair and accurate depiction of what's on the camera and your building on photographs 1.20 through 1.24?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, at this time I'd like to introduce those and tender them.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
They're admitted without objection.
Thank you. I'd also, Your Honor, like to tender 1.25, which is the video footage of those two clips I was referring to.
USB.
The USB.
No objection.
It's also admitted.
One moment, my apologies.
No.
Just for the record, Your Honor, I'm going to ask to publish the file ending in ID 23302. Now I have this up on the screen. Do you see that video that's playing? Oh, maybe not. For the purposes of moving along today, Your Honor, it's in evidence. I'll publish it at another time. Mr. Glover, you did recognize, however, those two videos that we've talked about.
Yes, I did.
And those are on the USB that have your initials?
Correct.
Okay. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you the still photographs.
Okay.
Would it be fair to say that the photographs that are here are simply just stills off of what's in that actual moving clip?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And I'd like to first show you 1.20. building is depicted right here,
It is the well,
okay? And that building, does that have cameras on it?
correct.
That's the ones that we have here?
Yes, ma'am.
And this road that passes directly in front of it, what road is that?
Well, a lot of people call it different things, but we know it's like Hometown Road. It goes into Homestown. Yes.
Okay.
Jones, Hometown.
Jones.
Yeah. It's
Does that also
very-
turn into Barrington Ferry?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so there's a lot of names for it, but that's the road that passes in front?
Correct.
Okay. And do you see specifically that chain link fence that you're referring to there?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm now going to show you photograph 1.21. Do you see this up at the top left corner?
Yes.
What is that?
Top left is the,
Is that the timestamp?
yeah, it is.
Okay.
I'm
Does that list
looking
a
at the
date and a
light.
time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And that was what you indicated was
Yes.
on there? Okay.
Yes.
And now specifically, do you see the fence there that you were referring to earlier?
Yes, ma'am.
And that's that chain link barbed wire fence?
Mm-hmm.
Is there also a vehicle that is captured there?
Yes, ma'am.
And that still photograph, that was just taken off of the camera?
Correct.
Do you know that car?
No, I don't.
Do you know who drove that car?
No, I don't.
Okay. I'm now showing you 1.22. Does that also have a timestamp on it?
Yes.
Would it be fair to say that's about 2 seconds later?
Yes.
And is that car now depicted here as well?
Yes.
Is that passing in front of the facility?
It's moving, yes.
And just so the record is clear, what side of the car, driver's side or passenger side, is closest while passing here?
It is the passenger.
Okay, so fair to say you can't really see the driver of this vehicle?
No, I don't.
And now I'm showing you 1.23. Is there a timestamp on this one?
Yes.
And what time is that?
12
12
and
o'clock and
13
13 seconds,
seconds.
right?
Yes.
It's very precise.
Mm-hmm.
And do you see anything on that roadway?
Yeah, I see a vehicle.
Okay. And is that the same type of vehicle as the one in the last screenshot?
Yes, going in the opposite direction.
Okay, so now the driver's side is closer, is that right?
Yes.
And now showing you 1.24. Does this also have a timestamp?
Yes.
Would it be fair to say just a couple seconds later?
Yes,
Do you have a better view of that vehicle now?
I do.
Okay. And again, do you recognize that vehicle?
The same as we've seen before in the pictures, but not, I don't know it.
You don't know
personally.
it personally?
No, ma'am, I
Okay.
don't.
Now, you indicated that law enforcement had asked you for the DVR and you provided it. Is that right?
Correct.
Was that the material that they were able to retrieve from there?
Yes.
Okay. Other than turning over the video footage, did you do anything in relationship to this case?
No more than not in relation, we just was searching around for some of the remains,
So you helped with the search too?
Yes, a little,
Okay.
yes.
You didn't find anything though, right?
No, I did not.
And the road that passes in front of your building, is that a paved road, a county road?
It's a dirt.
It's a dirt road,
It's half belonged to Liberty, the others to McIntosh.
okay? And if you were to go down that road on Jones Road, would you ultimately come upon the Portal Hunting Club?
Yes.
I have no further questions, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Weinstein.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
My name is Doug Weinstein, and I represent Mr. Kassotis in this case. I just have a few questions. Let me see that. Okay. With respect to this exhibit, which is 1.21, I believe you testified that you can't see who's driving that vehicle, correct?
Correct.
Exhibit 1.23. You can't see who's driving that vehicle there either, can you?
Okay, now?
And Exhibit 1.24, you can't see who's driving that vehicle there either, can you?
Okay.
How familiar are you with this LTS brand DVR?
Just something we purchased. I'm not familiar no more than that.
Are
It rewrites itself after so often, yes.
How often does it rewrite itself?
I don't know. I think it's something like every 30 days, if I'm not correct.
Are you the individual that set up that DVR at the pump station at the well?
Far as, no, it's a technician that sets it up, but I am the one that's responsible for make sure it's serviceable, yes.
But you are not the technician that set up that DVR,
No, I'm not.
correct?
No, I'm not.
And you are not the individual that went through the setup procedure for this LTS Chinese DVR.
No, I'm not.
So you didn't set the time zone for the DVR,
I did not.
okay, or anything else. Okay, thank you. That's all I need to know. I appreciate your help.
Well,
Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, sir. You're excused.
thank you.
Have a good afternoon.
You too.